Hey everyone! So I still have a whiteboard and I have a marker, but maybe I have a different kind of problem here. We're going to be talking about making 10 cents. Okay? So it says, hey, can you make 10 cents a few different ways? And then we can talk about what those ways do for us. Which ones are easiest, which ones might be easier to carry or easier to think about when you're shopping in a store. Let's see. Different ways to make 10 cents. Well, the one I think of right away is a whole bunch of pennies, right? This is 1 cent. So if I add them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there they are. 10 different cents. Why does this one look different? Because they're showing you the back of the coin. Sometimes they'll do that to make you familiar with the front, the face of the coin, but also the back, the tail of the coin. Yeah. That's Abraham Lincoln and the memorial that you can visit in Washington, D.C., dedicated to Abraham Lincoln. So that's one way to make 10 cents. Another way that lots of people like, and this one is really easy to carry around, is we have a coin that does just that, makes 10 cents, just like that. It's called a dime. It's our littlest coin. It's even smaller than a penny, but it's made out of this silver metal, so it looks a little different than the penny. Has a different president on it. This is Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Another way to make 10 cents. We have another coin called a nickel. These are worth 5 cents, so it's 5 and a 5. 5 and a 5. 10. Yeah, there's a 10. And there is another way to make 10 cents. Anybody? Yeah. You could split the difference here. You could take a little bit of this one and a little bit of that one, and you could end up with a nickel. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you could do 5 pennies and a nickel. You could do 2 nickels. You could do a whole bunch of pennies, 10 of them, or you could do a dime. Those are 4 different ways to make 10 cents. Now, which one is the easiest, most convenient? I would say counting out the 10 coins is probably the easiest because you just have to remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is probably the easiest to carry or use in the store. This one's pretty close to that, 5 and 5. This one happens sometimes, like especially if the store doesn't have any dimes or if they are trying to make change because they're missing some nickels or something, they could give you an assortment of coins. But to be honest, the one I would want is probably the dime, just because it's the simplest to carry and count. Yeah. Nice. Good job, everyone. Good job making 10 cents different ways.